Okay, good afternoon everyone. So today we are going to perform an experiment on battery tester. It's like a video on unboxing and how to use a battery tester. Okay, so sir, what is the purpose of this battery tester? Okay, so this is called as an battery tester. Okay, so coming to the concept, sir, what is the purpose of an battery tester? Okay, the purpose of a battery tester is used to check the health of a battery. Sir, what is meant by health of a battery? Okay, so batteries is not completely damaged. Okay, so sometimes the battery may be bad condition, we have to recharge it, or sometimes the battery may be weak condition, sometimes the battery may be good condition. Okay, so if you go to an outside market, or if our house is having an battery which is giving less backup, okay, and if you call a technician, he will say that the battery is damaged, you can come for replacement or exchange. So without doing any testing, they will change the battery, where you are going to lose your valuable money. So before you are changing a battery, you should need to perform some basic testing that is performed by an battery tester. This battery tester will help us to check the health of the battery, whether the battery is healthy or whether the battery is weak. If it is weak, I already told, based upon the water level indicators, we have to fill up with distilled water. Okay, some batteries we will be having some sort of battery level indicators. Based upon this battery level indicators, we have to top it with distilled water, as already discussed how it should be maintained. Okay, then automatically the life of the battery will be enhanced. Okay, so without filling with the distilled water, the water level, I think you can see this distilled water level we have in the lab, there will show you. So we'll have an indicator. So a small nozzle will be there, it has green color and red color. If it is showing green color, you can see that the water distilled level is maintained in a proper level. If showing red color, the distilled level water is maintained as lesser, you have to fill with the top up with distilled water. Okay, so that is how to see the quality of distilled water. Now coming to the Macomate. Okay, cut this.